biaka Nuer online TV channel kajan gwas me to kon kalar mijidit mugoro bu kon dialing lara me to kare wis ka juba gwas mi chekir mayardit kuäär SSPDF acha kuäär jɔnglei ni majubiel chaja watch kasha gwada cha kam kuäär dodien kuäär party kemensual ke soa janan balinga jan gwasme are rajame bukon do budanan mek kirm yadi do der radien der jelas gwasuda men kaf jɔnglei state ne won la governor ko wojeni ko jɔnglei la governor chagwat yakul mo garadien rajame ladaje tiang ke SSBC South Sudan Broadcast Corporation television dan la ler la kala tin gwatni tungwan ka jan gwadala la degree ni tungwan la kala tin mo wojana ban ler me ban jeling ke nyam ban jeling ka thoknath ka kora ban jinyo ko milin kona ka tog English ka breaking news me kuäär SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force kuäärien nikir mayardit kuäär jɔnglei indeed ke governor nima jup biel chaja watch kacha gwade chaja kuëny ramdo dien chaja kuëny kuäär dien mabila governor rewi ke jɔnglei state ramen cha kwantin a kuäär buna mensual li Dr Riek Gai Dr Riek Gai jaramdan en la kuäär en bon mo le soa jen bon kel mitaka bun dialan konte right ke South Sudan kidin gorga jenu de South Sudan de right kidi nang niam chaja kwany anu jaramdan en wi jɔnglei state bejakap Dr Riek Gai jen rami prominent SPLM member jen chokona ran National Minister of Health ke kuäär pola pwany rewi ke South Sudan jaram dana cha jako bila kuäär jidit ke governor dung jɔnglei state karoj be ke kir mayardit che gwa majubiel cheje kan jaram dana bi lerentam jente ka bonanshal ke National Democratic Movement NDM mimo an pardekel kaswa alam majub mala kuäär governor dung jɔnglei statement cha kwa da kula kamre gai ko gwazame jen lat ke jelet ke paidich ron kina dangro jen dangro irongwan ko ngodi dane sha tan ron kina dangro wal badak manchal ke revitalized peace agreement me cha tan akir mayardit kana spele mayo leader ne Dr Machar ka bonto ko kienten kon tell a part of political stakeholders no ka kwikore dana chituok michitin ka rundang diech ka kwimal me jakola tan kurun kin dang ro ba de no de nas de kan taka mat ke de ka taka mal ngwade dana chinaro itin ka kwi mchal ka utilize peace agreement mo ki 2018 peace agreement me lat ki rewi ka kotum chayan pinyano te mchal power sharing mo balat ala per buma alone dial en ram mo re bon dial kontre ke South Sudan tran ka lwan ko baje kwanya la kuäär ka bon dial to ka kwi power sharing e chalat jen mo kwany ke Dr Riek Gai ko ntama ala kuäär governor dung jɔnglei state ngai konen ala implementation dung mal ka re ka South Sudan chaje jako be janya long ka tin kona ngayena kan unify force Canada slate kan permanent constitution Canada la dwongone tel mishala. By the way, there's nothing has been done about those things in konde malde kulunong Dr Gai jen arana Kubu County ka jɔnglei state jen a chairperson ka Greater Bargazal Peace Committee ngen no one ana o na me jandan diyan link ka kuire gaiko beje kuëny ya ka token lich ka do badan en chalat ka joko de yen mada lero de no kulungacha. South Sudan President Salva Kiir, the leader of SSPDF, has appointed a member of his ruling party. Regaikok is a member of ruling party, which is SPLM, the Sudan People Liberation Movement. He was appointed as the new governor of Jɔnglei State in a move that appeared to violate provision of the 2018 peace agreement. The peace agreement stipulated that the position should be allocated to the South Sudan Opposition Alliance. Dr Riek Gai, a prominent SPLM member and a former National Minister of Health, has been named as the new governor of Jɔnglei State. He replaced Majub Biel, a leading member of the National Democratic Movement (NDM). Earlier, Chalarne Jan Wudeme la Dr Riek Gai era National Democratic Movement. No, Majub Biel Ramkel National Democratic Movement. Correction, come on, yeah. NDM, which is part of the SOA coalition. Mr. Majub was appointed to the role in May 2024. The 2018 revitalized peace agreement signed by the President Kiir Mayardit and SPLM-IO leader Riek Machar and other political stakeholders ended a 5-year civil war and established a power-sharing framework. However, its implementation has been slow, with ongoing dispute over the unification of army forces and the drafting of the permanent constitution. Prior to his appointment, Dr. Riek Gai, who hailed from Akova County in Jɔnglei State, served as a chairperson of the Greater Barghazal Peace Committee before. Wazir Michael, a Jɔnglei lawmaker and spokesperson for the Federal Democratic Party, a member of the SOA, said the leadership of SOA will issue an official statement. As we know, the peace agreement is very clear and allocations have been made clear in the peace agreement. There is no official statement from the leadership of SOA on the swapping of Jɔnglei State. The attempt to swap the state with the SPLM date back before the appointment of Majub as a governor of Jɔnglei State, but discussion on the matter stopped after his appointment. The 2018 peace deal remained a cornerstone of South Sudan transition, but it is slow to implementation, and recurring dispute over power sharing continue to undermine confidence in the process. Ramadan and kuäär tama rewike Jɔnglei State ke jan gwasme Dr. Riek Gai Ramadan and be Jɔnglei State jan bi jarwayo ala governor ke karunta won nyamtine jelle dana gode nyoy kel yatamal.